It's a cold, rainy Sunday. We are in Fort Wayne and we're going in the RINK Antique Mall. Let's go see what treasures we can find. Oh, look at these pretties. Mercury glass decorative finials. Hold on, let me back up. Look at these. These would be beautiful with my swung vases. But I already have tree toppers. They are beautiful though. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. These are very cool stirrups. I wonder how much they are. $22.50. I love the leather on them. Oh, I wonder if Chris saw this. I don't know if he did. I'll have to show him. Yes. Oh, a little clock.
No, I did not.
Lighted?
Yeah.
I don't know where you'd put it, but it's lighted.
Yeah, it's not a wall mount.
No.
No.
Huge jardinier. That Weller pink. The base. What is on the base? Can't tell if it's a. There's an eye. That's definitely an eye. Oh, it's very, very repaired at the bottom, though, unfortunately. $39. I've never seen one like that. It's cute. Look at this beauty. Let's see. $19.50 on this check. I don't know anything about glassware, but I do know that orange caught my eye, and it's beautiful. Chris pointed out this scent. It's a little bit fancy. It's Department 56. It's cute, a little bit fancy for me, but look at this little creamer. It's a little chippy, but it's got a little Kit Kat hanging on it. It's so cute. Yeah, but unfortunately that's a little chipped up. Some big basket. The last one I saw was painted yellow and it was $175 and it was no longer in that person's booth, so $89 seems like a great price. They are huge. $49 a piece. Wow, those are fun. Salt and pepper. Those are very fun. They're in great condition, actually. A little bit of paint loss, but they're old. $18. Yeah, they are. The decoys are $65 and $55, which is what I just looked it up. That's about what it's going for. There's one that sold it for a little bit more, but it was signed, and that one is not. This is huge. $89 on this Blanco art glass. Wow. Look at these little snowman. They're cute. Hold on, he's gonna off center once I touch him. I'm afraid to touch him. I'll just leave him alone. I'd say that looks like Van Brickle. $48. And then there's this little creamer set. $48 on that also. That's a cute little pin. $2 on that little pin. Little trinkets. How much on this individual? $25 on the individual Pyrex. I like that. Just unmarked. This is that one I know is definitely newer ironstone. $14 on that one. It's Marshall that sells the newer shiny brights. Amazon, there's probably lots of other places. Look at this cute little pot. I passed up on a Santa. Only because, you know, after Christmas you don't want to hoard it. But oh my gosh, that is so cute. Santa. It's a little Santa mug that's speckled. I don't have a speckled Santa mug. That is cute. $10. He is so cute. Avon. It's an Avon piece. You never know. Some of these little homemade owls. Look at them. They not have the biggest eyes. I spied this mushroom clock, but unfortunately it's $45 and it needs a lot. Hands, batteries, the whole mechanism probably. That is the world's smallest little bed. Oh my gosh. $250. Floor model? Toddler bed? Your dog bed? Cat bed. Somebody painted these. Always looking for items to redo. How could I repaint those? Have to think about it. 35? That seems like a great, I don't see any sales. After all the hemming and hawing and couldn't find a match, it's 50% off. So I guess that answered my question. I couldn't find a match, so that's definitely coming home with us. So after Chris worked so hard to unplug it, I didn't realize it was attached to this base. It doesn't have a bottom. So we're going to go ahead and leave it behind even at the 15. Because that's, I don't know, that's a little odd to me. I was so excited at first, but I don't really see, I don't like the base on it. 52. He's got him. He's got these little scary clowns. He's got some vintage beads. Oh my gosh, that is cute. Oh yeah, that's it. And pulley. Yeah, 85. There's no sales. I think I sold mine for 91, so that's right on the money. So many sales because, of course, you don't want to take it home with you. Don't you try to sell it? But I have to see something that I think I can actually sell. So there's that. So I'm looking a lot. What's this guy? He is a primitive Santa. He's 24. Okay, it's not a marshmallow tin, but I just wondered how much it was. 14. Can you buy chenille like that? I'm gonna have to start looking because look at how they're made. I'm gonna have to look for next year. Oh, he's so cute. 30% off. 15. He is just funny. The little owl is cute. 30% off this booth. See if we can find anything. Who knows? Who knows? She's cute. A little bit of spaghetti at the bottom. No price tag. Oops. Oh my gosh, look at that hippo. Oh my gosh. What is that? It almost looks like a Annabelle. Paper mache, $18. She's funny. I'm sorry, but she is funny. I have to take a closer look at her. So she's felt, wire, she's a ballerina. I think she's just a hobbyist piece. $18. Oh my gosh, she's funny. Oh, and the booth is 20% off at checkout. I have never sold or bought a genie bottle like that. $115. I've always gotten outbid. Here's a set of the little owls. 20? Oh, 20. So they're a piece. You know, those scare me, but these guys are cute. I spy this little ironstone. Wheat pattern picture, 25. I don't see any sales, so I have to pass on that one. Let's buy a jadeite bowl. 40 on that. That's probably a little bit above retail. All depends on what they paid for it. That's an interesting little piece there with it folded over. I can't tell if it's painted or if they're decals. I do spy a sugar dish though. How much is the sugar dish? We'll take a look. Hold on, let me back up. Let's see what the sugar dish is. $20. That's not bad. I think there's some room there for me. And 10%. Oh, this one's cracked. This is a USA. He's a fun little piece. Is he a shaker? I don't know. It just says vintage dog, $8. Look at that. This is definitely a mid-century modern. Speckled deer. Just a fun, cool art piece. Hey, I made some of those. How fun. Chris just told me there's nothing to see in here. I think that he's fibbing to me. Oh, but they're all right where they need to be. They're so cute. Oh, I'll just admire them because
it's 20% off today.
Oh, 20% off. I don't know if that's gonna help me. Oh, look at those little cutie Chanels. Let me get you closer. They are $9.50. See if I can move around in here. What is this place? Blanco. I wondered, it looked like Blanco. I think that is
$2.75.
$2.75 worth every penny. That big bottom diamond pattern. Can you see the diamond pattern on the bottom? Then a pulley, $129. Beautiful pieces. He is a souvenir piece for sure from the Wisconsin Dells, but oh my gosh. I love that brown with that orange. That orange just always attracts you. Don't you love it when you see something you have? So I bought that. They're $16.95 and I bought them for $20, so that wasn't far off. They're so cute. I love that, those little elves and the Noel. This is a Santa picture though. Oh, he's 74. Who is he? Don't know who he is, but a 1950s Santa picture. I'll pass him, says 74. Leave him for somebody else to grab. But deer is very pretty. He is glittery, he is shiny. I think he's a little vintage maybe. 45. He felt heavy. Oh, love this little cubby. Cubby. Gotta love cubbies. That is a cool piece. So we had a nice visit at the RINK. Big place, as I said. We met Brenda. Pretty sure I filmed your booth, Brenda, because you told me that you had done some assemblies. So we didn't really find a lot there to resell. You can't always expect that you are. So the two things I did find were an ironstone sugar. It's got the inlaid one on the bottom. I can't really read it, but maybe my Google Lens will show me. It does have a little wear. They're old. There's the only thing I can say about it. And the only other thing that we picked up, because I fell in love with her. How can you not love her? She kind of reminds me of like the Anna Lee. But she is a dancing ballerina hippo. And I probably would have passed, but then the booth was 20% off. So y'all, I don't know if you think it's as funny as I do. Sometimes you just buy the odd things and we'll see what happens. Somebody might think it's as ugly as sin, or other people, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. I love hippos. I think they are just fun. Just fun. So that was it. 2 items. But, you know, it's never a loss because, yet again, you're looking for stuff, you're looking at stuff, you're seeing stuff, you're getting inspired by how people display their stuff, price checking, getting to chat with people. So, yeah, it's, like I said, it is never a loss, and we had a great time going through, and we'll go back again because you just never know. I mean, it's a little hard. We were so close in between Christmas and New Year's. You were selling, I'm sure. And so then you're kind of like, just probably a lot of people are just probably letting their inventory get down, and then they'll restock after the first of the year. Or if they're like me, they're still looking for stuff to stock with. So thanks for going to the RINK with us. We appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time to watch our videos. And as always, if you're part of our YouTube family, thank you so much. And if you're new and you're checking out the channel for the first time and you liked what you saw, please hit that subscription button along with the notification bell so you don't upload a new video. And we will see you next time, guys. And you can see what we're up to. Bye.